Morning, adventurers. We are here at Carley State Park, Minnesota. Have a trail picked out. It's about 2 miles long. It's the north branch of the Whitewater River. Let's get going. Again, this is the north branch of the Whitewater River. It's a gorgeous day today. It's about 65 degrees right now, but it's supposed to be in the upper 80s later on today, this afternoon. But it's still early. So one thing this park is known for is its bluebells, flowers that are supposed to carpet the forest floor. But so far all I've really seen are these purple geraniums, these wild geraniums, which are still beautiful. But hopefully we get to see some of the bluebells. They're supposed to bloom in May, so it's a little late, but we'll see if they're still around. Look at this monster. Looks like it's got a little bit of fire damage down here at the bottom. On the website there was a warning about a bridge. It must have been this one. It's not looking good. Looks like it was built in 1949 when this park was founded. The password is bluebells, everybody. These Virginia wet leaves are pretty nice. They're scattered throughout here. The loop we're doing, like I said, is about 2 miles. It's just under 2 miles. And it kind of just loops around this big horseshoe bend in the river here. The North Branch Whitewater River. So I've kind of reached the top of the arch. You can kind of see it through there. And we're now rounding the top and starting to head down the other side. It's very buggy in the forest today. The mosquitoes are out. It looks like it maybe just rained right before I got here, but I never saw any rain. But it looks like it just rained, like the trees are dripping. Everything's wet. Beautiful day though. Kind of reached a fork where the river split apart and it's coming back together again. But I don't know if you can see it here, but the water is has a white tint to it. The river picks up minerals and stuff upstream, clays and stuff that make it a white color, which the Native Americans saw and they called it this whitewater river. Nice fish just jumped. And that is how this river got its name. You can kind of see the white fogginess in the water. Awesome. Okay, this must have been the crossing they were talking about. This log is going to be slippery. I don't know. Done and done. It's a nice little bench here for a break, but it's a little too buggy for a break. I think I'm just going to have some Gatorade and keep moving. Alright folks, we are back at the parking lot already. So again, that was Carley State Park. It's very nice. I liked the trail. It was very secluded, one-track trail. Went deep in the forest back there. It was very narrow. I loved it. Only thing is there's kind of a lot of people here. It's a very small park. The 2-mile trail pretty much cuts around most of the park, and then it surrounds a campsite which is in the middle. So there are lots of people here, even though I was here early. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to subscribe for another episode next Monday on Happy Trail Backpacking.